Welcome back to the channel, and if you're just joining us, we're on the last leg of our UK trip as we head deep into the Welsh valleys. Debbie gives it her best shot to speak the local language.
Ceiriog Valley Park. I don't know if I pronounced it right.
And we discover 2 baby Welsh dragons. Continue to watch as we discover an idyllic campsite in the heart of the Welsh valleys.
Hello.
It's another campsite review.
Hello. And here we are in the no, we're in the Welsh valleys. The north, is it North Wales? Yeah. Yes, we're here in North Wales, the last campsite. This is Ceiriog Valley Park. I don't know if I pronounced it right. So here it is, Ceiriog Valley Park. Static tourist tents and pods. Excuse the accent, it's probably rubbish, but anyway, that's my attempt at Welsh. So anyway, I'm going to take you on a tour now, a little tour of the campsite. So you come down this big steep hill, look at that, look up the hills. What a view. It is gorgeous.
Wish we'd have stayed here longer, but we're only here one night, aren't we?
Yeah, well, this was like sounds really awful now because it's such a nice site. This was a stop before we head to Liverpool for the boat. It's got lots of statics here which look really lovely. And such a nice place to stay. It's right by the river, and apparently you can fish by the river. I have fishing. Here you can see 2 Welsh dragons. So there's a little reception area there. What's great as well here is they have the hand sanitizer and all the stuff. So this is a river walk. We're not going to take you on the whole thing because we need to take the dogs out and stuff. So
If you like walking, this has got to be brilliant, isn't it?
oh, stunning, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at that. Absolutely idyllic place. Really nice. Yeah, we've got to the end. This is the river walk. Through here. Oh look, you can actually, oh no, you can't really, I suppose you could get down to the river there, couldn't you?
Yeah.
It's not as steep. Not steep.
That's the river walk.
So that's the river walk. Probably narrow, but single file walk.
Quite
Nice. So this is the view. Look at the hills there. It's stunning.
Yeah. Well kept, isn't it?
Yeah.
Static there. So that's like the first part, isn't it?
Yep. First part is statics and then caravans. Looks like a lot of these caravans are here all year round, maybe, or.
A lot of them look long term. Some of them are like kind of plumbed in properly, not like that with the waste hog. Probably here all year round, maybe.
Yeah. Look at that over there. Just surrounded by picturesque landscapes. It just sounds really corny.
No, it is.
But it is.
Beautiful.
It is really nice. You can come down this way. He did say as well, dogs on leads, but more than welcome to let them go in the river, and it's quite a nice river. But look at this. Even just to sit on that rock and just contemplate, it's just so peaceful. You can get right down to the river there. Back marks gone down there. You can see. And our dog's going to love this. Can you see fish? Can you? Oh, we didn't realise there's steps here. Come down the steps. Are they big fish?
They're only about so big. There's quite a few just around there.
They're probably like.
There's one.
Oh yeah, under the rocks now. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh gosh, that's shot across.
Flying through.
I wonder if it's like river trout or something.
Quite a few. They're not very big, so I don't know. I'm not kind of a fisherman to tell you.
Right, anyway, we'll go back up and show you the rest of the site.
Look at that. You get one of the caravan pictures, that's your view in front of you and you've got the river behind you.
So there is a safe way to come up and down here.
We've got some proper steps.
Not like some of the mountaineering we've had to do.
No.
The statics are gorgeous, look.
That's nice.
Got their own balconies,
Yeah.
patio doors.
And this is your touring pictures, isn't it? I presume you can go and park up there in the,
No, I don't think so. No, that higher bit.
maybe not the higher
No,
bit.
it's all under the trees. It's basically, they've got blue spray paint on the grass and you can park in between those.
This is your touring pictures.
See, you can see there's a mark on that tree,
Oh yeah.
the blue mark, and it's number 4, I think.
Blue on the grass.
Yeah, you can see the blue on the trees, but yeah, just go around, give you a view from where we are. So, did you have a nice walk? Oh, mushrooms! Oh my god, you've been foraging for mushrooms, wow! Oh god. Oh yeah, you can eat them.
Yeah.
Wow, did you find those Denairies?
No, I think we're here.
You got the lead round my leg.
Oh. I can think of anything more peaceful to sit here in a chair and listen to that river if it just wasn't for that tractor over there. What a beautiful little spot on it.
Yeah, look at that.
Just watch this river. Where we're parked, so we'll show you how far it is to get to the facility. So we're just taking Bill's dog Denairies for a walk, so it's not too far if you need water. There is another water stop as you come in, so you can fill up from there if you'd rather, unless you see our other video where we show you a little trick on how to fill your motorhome when you're on the pitch without moving.
So that's the chemical place. I'll show you that first.
There we go. So, chemical waste. We're not going to get too close into that. Hand sanitizers on the wall, we like that, don't we?
Yep. Showers. Shower place.
And we've got showers. It's like a shed, but look at that. Wet room. Brilliant. So there's 2 of those for the campsite. And then we've got the actual toilet block itself. I'll tell you what we'll do. I don't usually do this, but it's a really quiet site, so we'll go in and just give you a quick look. So Cheltenham's through there. Washing machine, tumble dryer. Nice little touch. Some DVDs if you want to watch DVD. Obviously I'm not going to go in the ladies for obvious reasons. Dishwashing outside, more hand sanitizers, drinking water.
Bins over there, nice little hidden away.
And a bin store hidden over there.
Hills over there.
You can see the hills in the distance there. And we're just on the other side. So that's static with a balcony there. And we'll head back that way now. So we picked up a DVD, that little selection there for your dad to watch, because I don't think you can get a TV reception. So I thought that was a nice little touch, so we can watch that and then take that back. This is your camp field for the tourers. So if you think of staying here, that gives you an idea of what to expect when you get here and what the site's really like. Some stunning photos of it, weren't there? Professional photos of this place. Some real stunning photos, professional photos on the website when you book. And literally the site has pretty much turned out to be exactly like the pictures you see. So that's your touring ground. There's the river again. Here we are coming back to where we're camped. What do you reckon of this place?
Really nice.
It's been a good trip, hasn't it? Every site we've been to
Yeah.
has been really, really good. Really
Yeah,
nice.
I'm impressed with this site.
A lot of planning went into finding these sites though. I mean, I'd love to know how many hours we spent searching and trawling the internet and emails and booking forms and to find all these sites. But yeah, another good site.
Anyone that's camped this year will know that, I think. It's not the easiest to get a nice place to get availability for 2 vans as well, because obviously we've got my dad with us, so
Yeah.
you've also got to take that into consideration. So they said, oh, we've got pitch for one night for one person, and we're like, no, it has to be 2 pitches. So anyway, the dog's pulling me over here, so I'm going to shoot at range and sort her out.
Before you go, would you stay here again?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Out of 10?
It's gorgeous. 10 or 11.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Really good.
Just make sure you've got your own stuff with you, because I don't think there's any shops that nearby, and you won't want to sort of keep trawling up the hill and out of here. So yeah, but I would definitely stay here again, for sure.
Yeah. Same for me, guys. Yeah, that's probably the only downside, is having no shop on site. There might be something in the local area. We're not going to get a chance to check out much in the local area. We're only here for the one night. This was just a stopover on the way coming back up through Wales, heading back to Liverpool to get the boat back to the Isle of Man. And you're looking for somewhere to stay in North Wales, have a look through the video there. But yeah, I definitely recommend it. Don't forget, if you like the videos we're doing, make sure you get down there, press that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave us a comment.
That's us leaving the site. See you later, folks. This vlog is dedicated to Denairies, my dad's rescue dog from Crete. She loved to travel everywhere with us in the motorhomes, everywhere we went. Sadly, after we returned home from this trip, she fell ill and passed away in October 21. She was my dad's world. Rest in peace, Denairies.